At the time of deciding the token utilities, there are two places where we can do it. The governance tokens can be decided in the general information, and then for each of the value propositions, we can decide the token utilities. Keep in mind that each of the value propositions can have their own strategy in terms of payments, profit distribution, or membership, whereas governance is unique for the whole protocol. In order to determine how these utilities are going to be applied, we have first of all the fee that it is charged for each of the value propositions. So in this case, for the marketplace, we have a trading fee of a 2%, and then we can select how this is going to be distributed. So if we have a total volume, which is our growth hypothesis of an expected value, then we should apply the percentage of the fees. And then lastly, each of the ports that we consider relevant are going to receive their corresponding port. In the case of the incentives, this time we should set it here. We can choose between all the possible destinations, so if it is related to the value proposition 1 or 2, and in the case that we would like to have multiple incentive schemes, we should determine for each of them a specific portion of your token allocation here. So in this example, since we only have one incentive reserve, we can only set a specific incentive. But if we wanted to give away to stakers or to different liquidity providers or to different creators in our economy, for each of the value propositions, we should create a new one. This way, with the incentives, we can choose each of the agents that we want to.